Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk spark plugs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn off the vehicle's ignition, set the parking brake, pull the hood release handle and open the hood. To access your spark plugs, you must remove the engine cover. You should now be able to see the location of the spark plugs, which are situated beneath the plastic air intake ducts. Using adjustable pliers, remove the insulator by making small back and forth movements. Using a socket wrench, a large extender and a 16mm spark plug socket, unscrew the spark plug. You can use the special tool used in the video to remove the old plug.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
You can find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto website and linked in the description. Grab the new spark plug. Put the new spark plug in place by inserting it using the tool, which will allow you to gently place it onto the screwing support. Screw the plug in with a socket wrench. There are several techniques for tightening spark plugs. You can use a torque wrench and employ the torque setting recommended by the manufacturer, or you can use an angular torque gauge to respect the recommended angle. Put the insulator back on, pushing it in as far as possible. You can now repeat the process on the other spark plugs. Put the engine cover back in place. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.